Doing all this work with Bambara, and my question is here. I think it's important, but I want your take and why you think it is. Why do you think this type of work is important? You know, why is it meaningful? Why is this something that you should be spending your time on? About the specifically about Bambara and promoting its literacy and use and stuff like this.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. What I can say in this is that today internet is very important. After getting news on TV, on radio, I think we can access to more information because it's like a room of exchange of knowledge. When rural people stay in their village without accessing to internet, I think it's like as the world is going one side. In my mind, it's important and interesting to take all the world going together. That's why when rural people can't speak over language, only their native language, it's important to get solution to make them access to internet. And this will permit them to communicate, even if after posting some news, we here in towns speaking little in other languages, we can try to translate what they are saying, what they are telling about, and this permits to other people to understand the ways of living of rural people, and permit them to know what they need. And this permits also to other people in other countries to get access to rural people in case of need. And I think language is here to communicate, to exchange, but also to work. Now the main space of working with language, I think, is about information and other job. And the aim of the small project is to give opportunity to rural people to work, after speaking, to work with their language. Yeah, and I hope it will be, we will get the aims.
Okay, yeah. I think it's important for those exact same reasons, yeah.